Hi, my name's Cheryl Goodlive and I'm going to be your instructor for this semester. I'd like to tell you just a little bit about me so you'll know who you'll be working with. I have undergraduate degrees in political science and one in education, one from the University of Akron and one from Ohio State University. After moving to Pennsylvania, I went back to school at Shippensburg University and completed my master's in counseling. I am a licensed professional counselor in the state of Pennsylvania, otherwise known as an LPC. And I do have a small private practice in Carlisle. I've been with the college since 1995. I started as a counselor in the financial aid office and then eventually moved to the counseling department and did personal counseling, crisis intervention, classroom work, things like that for about 20 plus years. Plus I did advising for health career students. So I worked very closely with nursing, dental hygiene, nuclear medicine, plus a few of the other many programs that the health careers area at HAC has. I've been with Human Services now for about 2 years. I also coordinate the practicum experience. So if any of you are close to doing your practicum, we'll be working closely together to find you a practicum site and get everything together that you'll need when you're ready to do that final experience. I really look forward to getting to know all of you and learning more about you as the semester goes on. You'll see that there's discussions that we're going to have each week, and that's a good opportunity for you to get to know me a little better, me to get to know you a little better, and for you to learn about each other as well. So I'm really looking forward to this semester.